Hey everyone at Future Maids, my name is Erin. I'm with Duff Digital Marketing, and you had spoken with my partner and husband Rob on Facebook. So as promised, I'm shooting you this short video just to give you a few tips on how to help grow your business online. And I will keep this short, but if by the end of this video you can tell that that is certainly something that we specialize in, and that's something that you're interested in doing for your business, please reach out to us and we can chat. And if not, no worries. I hope you're able to take these tips I'll give you and put them into action. The only thing I do ask, if you don't mind, would just be to give me some feedback on this video and let me know if it was helpful. But the three things we'll be covering today are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. So first up is content, and that would be anything you can see on your site here. That does include the words, but also the pictures and what your pictures are saved as well. And Google typically likes to see about 1,500 words of content on the homepage of a website. So it looks like you all certainly have that. Awesome job as far as that goes. The only thing that I would suggest would just be to go through your content and look for opportunities to be able to add in keywords and key phrases that people are going to be searching for when they're looking for your services. But it's a very nice site. The layout of everything is very nice, organized, very user-friendly, and certainly that content piece is a big one. So excellent job. Next up is going to be citations. And I pulled up just a quick search here, and the first thing that comes up is this section, and this is called the map pack. And citations have a lot to do with that section. So a citation is basically your business name, address, and phone number listed in various directories throughout the web. And by directories, I mean things like Facebook, LinkedIn, Yelp, Yellow Pages, and really anywhere else that allows business owners to add in those details and services. So you all would want to go out and see where your competitors are being listed within those directories, and you would want to grab those listings for your business. But you also don't just want to stop there. So for instance, let's say your top competitor has 10 directory listings. You want to grab those 10 for your business, but then you want to double, triple, quadruple what they have. So if they have 10, you want to have 20, 30, 40, even 50. That's going to have you completely dominating your competition in that space, but it also helps you to rank high on the maps here as well. So moving along here to backlinks, and backlinks have a lot to do with this section underneath the maps. This is called the organic section. And the way that backlinks work is there's a website out there that has a link to your site, and it's pushing power to your site, but it's also potentially driving traffic to it as well. But not all backlinks are created equal. So let's say that you did some work for someone who owns an ice cream shop, and they've decided they're going to take a link from their site and send one back to yours. But their link is going to be all about ice cream, so it's not going to be very helpful for you. You would want to get links from other cleaning service companies that send a link back to your site and signal to Google that that is the industry that you're in. That's going to be a lot more powerful, but also more unique in Google's eyes because it is relevant to your industry. And I pulled up one of the tools that I use here just to kind of give you a visual representation of what I'm talking about. And I did put your site into it, and it's really not showing a lot of data for you all at this time. But just so I can show you, I also did put one of the competitors in here as well. So it's showing currently they have 1.36 thousand referring domains, which is giving them 66.6 thousand backlinks, getting them found for 22.5 thousand keywords, and that's driving about 40.2 thousand people to their website just monthly. So let's take a look and we'll see if we can see what keywords they're using. So we're looking for buyer intent keywords. That would be anything that someone's going to think to actually type into the search bar when they're looking for your services. So here's a great one, cleaning services Boise. This is a fantastic key phrase because it's showing the service or the industry, but also the location that this company is trying to target as well. Cleaning services, St. Petersburg, Florida. There's another great one. Again, service or industry and location. Cleaning services, Miami. So it looks like this company is targeting a lot of different locations. Cleaning, Memphis. Short, sweet, to the point, but still very powerful. I certainly will not bore you all and have us go through all of these keywords, but I hope that at least kind of gives you an idea of the types of things that you'd be looking for to integrate into the content on your site. And really, in order to beat out your competition, you just want to make sure you're being found in a lot of the same places they are. But just like with the citations, you don't ever want to stop at what your competitors are doing. You want to get whatever they have, and then you want to far surpass that. That's the kind of thing that's going to get you on the first page of Google, but also it's going to give your competition a run for their money, and they're going to have a really hard time keeping up with you at some point. So I do hope this video was helpful for you. That's really all that I have for you today. But if you'd like to know more about Duff Digital Marketing and how we can help grow your business via your online presence, please do contact us. We would love to talk to you about that. But thank you again for your time, and you have a great day.